Testing. Fuck. What if I lose my voice?
Maybe it gets worse before it gets better. Here, your hamstring, left elbow, chest, chin.
We're hiking today to some of the coldest water in Albania.
This is beautiful.
Feel fucking amazing.
Oh my gosh.
This is by far the coldest cold plunge I have taken in a minute, bro. We're sitting in the rain. I smell the air. Oh. It is. Sorry, you're so serious. Please stay. So we can. If you want wine filled to the top, you need to come to Drenny Guest House. Only in Albania are the truck stops like filled with local food. Pizza!
Barrack with prosciutto and cheese.
Of course they have alcohol here. You can get yourself a nice little Aperol Spritz. Meat pie. What are these?
Albania.
Can I get one? Can I get one of these thingies? Ravani, some fucking pudding. And then the best part is they have gelato.
Mango.
Mango. Falaminderes. Yum.
Nadile.
All of this was €1.90. 3 desserts. Taste test. I love Albanian gelato. I love it almost as much as Italian gelato. Creamy coconut beef. It's so good. And we have this. I forgot what it's called. It's super sweet. I feel like I need a coffee to dip this in. Cappuccino. It's very...
I need a bev.
Why is this so fucking dry?
Rate this a 1 out of 10. Way too dry. Anyone want it? You liked it.
At least a 4.
Now we get back on the bus, happy and delighted with our sugary treats. Thank you, Albania. So happy. So happy. This is magical.
Congrats.
And I like the crazy drum. Forward and down.
So I hate partying. I barely drink alcohol, but Albania has this magical energy and we're all super sober on this boat and these are the vibes.
I will start with Albanian song.
Oh, yes, yes. Okay, okay.
Habibi!
He made it to the secret cave. Look at this. Am I going to turn into a mermaid? Look how blue this water is. Oh my God! We've now docked on a secret beach. Beach you can only get here by boat. Look at this. I love you guys! We're about to do some breathwork and spiritual shit in the sea. It's so deep, but he said there's no sharks, so I think it's okay. Look at the sunset. Go! We go. I love Albania. I'm so fucking happy. I'm heading to my favorite beach in the world today. I've been to over 50 countries, but this is the best beach in the world. Can't bring them anywhere. First, we gotta load up on some snacks. I'm gonna get some weed, which means water in Albanian.
Oh, when you get...
It's only a small hike to get here. The pain is worth it. If you're mad at me, raise your hand. This is a very remote beach, which makes it special because no bars. Almost there. And we've made it to the most beautiful beach in the freaking world. That is such a mood. Mood. Speeding on my ass. Oh my. I'm rebirth.
Yeah.
Take it back now, y'all.
Booty too big. On a party like it's 30s fountain. Now you guys understand why this is the most beautiful beach in the freaking world. This is my 3rd year in Albania. It's definitely way more crowded. Tourism is definitely rising. It's still an underrated country, but I'm gonna gatekeep this destination. Please don't comment it in the comments. This is for the locals that are here. It's a bit of a dangerous trail to get down. If you really want to come, you can use Google Maps. You can figure it out just by looking at things in my video. Just do your research. Anyways, Albania, I love you. Now we're gonna go on a boat.